Okay, so you both are placed in Cisco, right? Huh?
Yeah.
So अभी ज्ञान तुमसे शुरू करते हैं. Like सिस्को के लिए प्रिपरेशन या फिर सिस्को माइंड में था या फिर जस्ट हो गया? तो how was your preparation या फिर पहले से दिमाग में था कि तुम सिस्को में जाओगे या फिर मतलब तुम्हें नेटवर्किंग मुझे पता है तुम्हें नेटवर्किंग पसंद भी है तुम्हें अच्छी भी लगती है. Plus you're from ECE background.
Yeah, absolutely.
So
Yes. So like first of all, like it's bits. So like I knew कि यहाँ अच्छे companies आने वाले हैं, including Amazon, Qualcomm तब तक आ चुका था, Cisco भी like पता था कि आने वाला है. And then and I'm also interested in like the network side of things, right? It sort of like I really like that domain, and so Cisco is is known is one of the biggest networking companies out there. So like I was really interested like in doing well in Cisco's written round. So like we had all these options of great companies, and like honestly Cisco, like I was hoping that I would get into Cisco, though like I was not that hopeful because like पता है ना like कितना time मिला था हमें for preparations and all that, like barely maybe like 1 month. So like it's pretty unfortunate, but regardless like मिल गया तो मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है. So like 1 month prepare करने को मिला था, and like like Cisco बोल सकते हो कि mind में था, though like I wasn't very hopeful कि मिलेगा ही मुझे, but हाँ.
Okay, Soumyadeep, so
okay.
did you target Cisco या फिर ये भी just हो गया?
The thing is कि for electronics candidates the placements already started from 17th July. So for Qualcomm was the first company to come, and then it was followed by Texas Instruments, followed by Micron, Western Digital, SanDisk. So after these 4 companies, the next lot of companies that would be coming, we were told that those will be the these day one companies like Microsoft, Cisco, the Urban Company, ServiceNow and all. तो वैसे देखा जाए तो हमारे इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स बैकग्राउंड में से it will be very difficult to crack Amazon and Uber because of their hardcore coding rounds and all. So I targeted, you can say that I actually did target Cisco like about 10-15 days ago, like after the Micron exam. Micron exam, because all these companies were mostly focused towards biased towards microelectronics, because it's quite natural, because the job profile again like ASIC design and all, they are mostly based on the microelectronics students, like whatever they go through during their first and second semester. So till then like only 5 students were placed, and from communication engineering, and at the time I actually focused more on these networking aspects, which I actually liked, and during from my BTech days. So I went on through these networking concepts and and also learned operating systems as a whole subject, and for 2 weeks, and then actually I did target Cisco, and although I sat for Amazon, Uber, for Citrix as well, and I also got shortlisted for Citrix in the interview, which I couldn't clear. And और पहले ही ये Cisco का एग्जाम हो गया था on 9th of August. So and the results were out like after 2-3 days. तो बस टारगेट किया था, और ऐसे नेटवर्किंग कांसेप्ट्स पूछा, ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम्स था, थोड़ा बहुत कोडिंग क्वेश्चंस था. So
basically
it happened.
You both targeted somewhat you both targeted, right? थोड़ा सभी ने टारगेट किया. Like questions कैसे थे? Like rounds, जहाँ तक मुझे याद है तुम लोग के 3 rounds थे Cisco में, 3 or 4 rounds?
Actually 4 rounds. Actually 4
rounds. Okay, so अभी क्या हम तुमसे शुरू करते हैं. Like round by round somewhat overview दे सकते हो तुम. Like maybe हम लोग exact questions नहीं बता सकते, I don't know, मुझे नहीं पता. But overview दे सकते हो कि इस round में ऐसा होता है, इस round में ऐसा होता है.
Yeah, sure. So like first of all, like the first round was technical round. So like
no, firstly you will have the written round.
I mean, sure, like written round तो था,
was I thought like you just wanted to know about the interviews. So anyway, like the written round, like it consisted of two questions, two coding questions, and like बहुत सारे MCQs थे. So the MCQs were pretty easy actually. Like मैंने क्या किया था कि like जो coding questions थे वो पहले attempt करने का like सोचा. Like I thought कि like that would be the best approach. So I tried that, and like I was like half successful in both of those sort of, but like उनमें से एक question था which was really like that really required you to think and come up with a really like genius idea. So like उसका idea like I got it working halfway through, and also like आधे से ज़्यादा test cases pass हो रहे थे, but I missed a few test cases, but I guess that was all right because the question was really difficult, and like okay, वो था coding questions, and I really lost a lot of time there. Like duration कितना था? Maybe 2 hours.
1 hour.
Oh, sorry, 1 hour. Yeah, so like I lost almost like कितना 80% of the time there. Maybe like around 40-45 minutes जा चुका था, and I barely had enough time to like work on the MCQs. So like MCQs मैंने attempt किए like I was very confident that my answers were correct like MCQs में. So like मैंने थोड़ा like just 1 to 2 minutes spend करके MCQs को निपटाया, और like every question, for each question I spent only 1 to 2 minutes, and वैसे like I like completed the MCQ वाला section, and it was all over. Like the whole test was like क्या बोलूं, I was satisfied with it, though I wasn't really that confident कि मैं इसको clear करूँगा.
यहाँ पे मैं इंटरवीन करना चाहूँगा. सबसे पहले तो एक 1 hour का क्वेश्चन पेपर था तुम्हारा, है ना? 1 hour रिटन राउंड था. नेगेटिव मार्किंग आई गेस नहीं थी शायद.
Yeah, it wasn't mentioned.
मेंशन नहीं था, हाँ. प्लस एक मस्ट है कि तुम चीट ना करो ऑनलाइन सोर्सेज से, बिकॉज इफ यू पास ऑल टेस्ट केसेस बट देन उससे तुम ऑनलाइन कहीं पे कंपैरिजन टूल वो यूज करते हैं, अगर उसमें कहीं पे तुम पकड़े जाओगे तो सिंपली यू आर आउट ऑफ द रेस, राइट?
Exactly.
अगर
There was online proctoring as well. So yeah.
So वो भी एक पॉइंट है. और हाँ, उसके बाद तुम कंटिन्यू करो. उसके बाद हम अगर उस पे आए इंटरव्यूज पे, फर्स्ट राउंड तुमने कैसे किया? लाइक उसमें ओवर क्या होता है वो भी बताओ उसका.
The overview, like it was a technical round, so like first of all हर round में ये एक चीज common था कि like tell me about yourself, like that was the common question across all the interviews. So like उसके अलावा like मुझे basic networking के questions पूछे गए थे. I was asked like very simple questions, and then like one by one थोड़ा step up करते जा रहे थे वो like interviewed. So like eventually like after all those basic questions he asked about like मैं ये cloud के साथ familiar हूँ कि नहीं, and if like मैं किस programming language को prefer करता हूँ, and we like and he gave me a question, like a coding question. So it was pretty basic at first, but like just to check if I actually like know how to code in that language. And उसके अलावा like I said कि like I'm comfortable with Python, so मुझे Python में कुछ एक simple like dummy question like पूछा, और just do this, and then उसको C में भी like लिख के दिखाने के लिए कहा. So I did that as well, and after that like एक sort of networking related Python question पूछा. It was I don't know if it's okay to mention it. I think it's not, so I'll just keep it.
Just एक मतलब ओवरव्यू दे सकते हो किस मतलब ब्रॉड टॉपिक पे क्या था? जैसे IP एड्रेसेस, सपोज IP एड्रेसेस पे कोई
Yeah, it was related to IP addresses. So okay, the question was just this only: give IP address valid, like if a string is a valid IPv4 address or not. So that was it.
Simple, right?
And like I like I really loved that interview because वो जब question पूछे, I told him like what my approach. And then like I started coding and like code कर दिया मैंने. Then he asked me if there are any like edge cases here. Like तो मतलब मुझे cases ढूंढने पड़े. And like I did find out some that I missed. But then like उसके मतलब वो correct करने के बाद ही कई सारे cases बाकी थे like which I didn't cover. So उन्होंने मुझे like So he was like asking me like on just थोड़ा और सोचो कुछ है शायद, maybe you'll find it out. Like eventually like he told me कि ये ऐसा edge case हो सकता है, and then I realized कि हाँ, that can totally break my solution. So he was really helpful. Like I really loved that interview. So I was उन्होंने like help किया like, throughout the process, and yeah, so the coding round was over like that. And also asked me a question related to machine learning because I mentioned that in my resume. So like that was it, and interview खत्म और just
Okay, so basically तुम जो resume में लिख रहे हो वो भी exactly देख के वो पूछ रहे थे. So don't mention anything in your resume that you don't already know. Like don't lie in your resume. Bluff.
Exactly. Like I heard this. Actually, you know what? Like हमारे यहाँ वो PU Chronicles मतलब PU Chronicles में मैंने एक बंदे का वो like testimonial पढ़ा था. तो like he wrote there कि your resume is your syllabus. So I kept that in mind and just like बस वही चीजें डाले मैंने resume में जो मुझे actually आता था. Like सिर्फ वही था resume में. So like I was feeling like pretty safe कि हाँ resume से कुछ भी अगर पूछते I'll be able to answer. So that was.
So basically तुम्हारा technical reviewer अच्छा था, technical review अच्छा गया. उसके बाद कौन सा मतलब sorry review बोलो interview. उसके बाद कौन सा interview था? Second round.
उसके बाद managerial interview था. So उसमें भी like ठीक है like start to like वो same question से किया, tell me about yourself. So like sort of HR round के questions type के मतलब HR round में जैसे questions पूछे जाते हैं वैसे type के थे. Like like you know what, this was my favorite interview out of like all the interviews I've ever had. Like he was really fun. Also like he interviewed Soumyadeep as well. Like हम दोनों को उन्होंने interview like किया था like.
Okay.
So it was really fun. He was a really fun guy, and I really enjoyed that. Like basic HR questions थे or like about team building and all that. It was really fun, and he also like क्या बोलूं, told me about the culture, like how it is at Cisco, like, and all that. It was really fun. So वो basically like HR round जैसा ही था. So he also like asked me about ये resume से जो मैंने 2 projects mention किए थे तो उनमें से एक के बारे में पूछा कि like what's it about and क्या किया इसमें and all that. Like ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं, just more like an HR interview.
Okay, so secondly managerial interview, third HR होगा.
Yeah, third was the actual HR round. So
third round was executive, right? Abhigyan. That executive round.
Is that so? Because like they all like our placement unit mentioned कि it's the HR round, so I was quite confused. It's like managerial round को भी HR round बोला था, and then executive round को भी HR round बोल दिया था. So
exactly, like it was a kind of
yeah, and also the last round was called HR round. So
exactly. So yeah.
Yeah, so I was really confused there, but never mind. It was the executive round. So like उसमें like I got the most like क्या बोलो unique tell me about yourself वाला question. So like that really like that I had to be very careful with that. So like वो बहुत tricky था. So like after that like HR questions only like that. And about like project like मुझे second round में जिस project के बारे में नहीं पूछा गया था उसके बारे में पूछा गया था, and about कि like मैंने कितना contribute किया है, how did I like manage the team and all that. Sort of like not exactly manage, how I like मुझे पूछा कि मैंने team में कैसे work किया था and all that. So that was it. Like that was it for the third round.
And then fourth round.
Fourth round was sort of क्या बोलो like debriefing, I guess. Like
okay, debriefing का मतलब ये हुआ कि interviewers तुमको बता रहे हैं company के बारे में, right?
Yeah, like that only. And also मुझे पूछा कि like what are my expectations with this role and all that. Like if I really understand what the job is about, what the role is about, so वो पूछा गया था and हाँ like बाकी like general debriefing stuff, that's all.
ओके, सो क्या होता है अगर तुम एक इंटरव्यू के टाइम पे, सपोज इंटरव्यू चल रहा है, मैं तुम्हारा इंटरव्यू हूँ, मैंने तुमसे कुछ पूछा लाइक बाइनरी सर्च बताओ, तुम बाइनरी सर्च भूल गए, तुम कोड नहीं कर पा रहे हो, सो तब तुमने क्या किया? मतलब कुछ ऐसा इंस्टेंस हुआ होगा ना तुम दोनों के साथ में, किस कभी भी हुआ होगा। सौम्यदीप मैं तुमसे अभी पूछूंगा, अभिज्ञान तुम्हारे साथ कोई ऐसा इंस्टेंस हुआ है इस इंटरव्यू में, मतलब पूरे 3 राउंड्स 4 राउंड्स में, कि तुम्हें आंसर नहीं पता था या फिर तुमने गलत आंसर कर दिया?
Yeah.
हाँ,
So
so
मैं
मेरे
तुमसे
go on.
Actually, in the executive round, I was being asked some a particular protocol which I haven't heard the name before. तो ये बहुत difficult हो गया था मेरे लिए. So I took some time, like around 40-45 seconds. I took some time and I was trying to recall that whether I've ever come across the protocol or something. But actually I couldn't. I mean, I said that, sir, that I can't recall, or I haven't come across this protocol somewhere. And he actually found it and he actually told me that yeah, it's good because it's a very recent protocol and I was expecting for you not to answer it. So ये बहुत सही था actually, because the thing is it was a very recent protocol being developed by Cisco probably, and I couldn't answer it. So he was even not expecting me to answer it. So that was the thing कि अगर मैं आंसर भी दे देता तो शायद उनको लगता कि अरे कैसे इसको पता चल गया इतना. It was quite natural, like it was open, and I told him that I would love to explore all these new protocols being developed by Cisco and all. Then उसने मुझे he went a notch higher and asked me like whether I particularly know any Cisco developed protocol or something. तो मैंने ये Cisco Discovery Protocol के बारे में थोड़ा बोला. तो then he said okay fine, like then he was then he found that yeah, like चलो ठीक है. Now then he asked me like whether whether I know any new aspects on which Cisco is working nowadays. तो मैंने वो Wi-Fi से ड्राफ्ट बना था, तो उसके हिसाब से मैंने रिप्लाई दिया, आंसर दिया कि how this various new technologies brought nowadays regarding Wi-Fi 6 and all. तो बहुत सारे टेक्नोलॉजीज के बारे में बताया कि ये टारगेट वेक टाइम, BSS कलरिंग एंड ये सब चीजों के बारे में. तो फाइनली एंड या
राइट, सो बेसिकली अगर तुम्हें को नहीं पता है, सो इफ यू डोंट नो समथिंग, जस्ट बता दो इंटरव्यूअर को.
हाँ, वी हैव टू बी ऑनेस्ट एक्चुअली, बिकॉज पता नहीं हो सकता है एक्चुअली, बिकॉज ये इतना बड़ा फील्ड है नेटवर्किंग की, पता तो नहीं हो सकता है. और ये प्रोटोकॉल्स तो लाइक इट्स एन ओशन है काइंड ऑफ.
बट डोंट चीट, जस्ट बता दो कि मुझको नहीं पता. I don't know, maybe आप बता सकते हैं, you can tell me. So इंटरव्यूअर हेल्पफुल होते हैं आमतौर पे.
Exactly, हाँ. They were very helpful.
They will help you. Right. Okay. So सौम्यदीप, अब तुम अपने मतलब 4 rounds के experience बता सकते हो?
Oh, actually, okay.
Start करते हैं.
Beginning from the written round.
Yeah.
Okay. So
just to explain.
Yeah, written round, as Abhigyan told, like it was about 1 hour duration. तो पहले से वो 2 sections में divided था. 15 questions which had this aptitude, which had this operating systems and networking concepts related questions भी थोड़ा था. There were no C questions probably in that. I wish I expected actually, but there were none. I mean, as far as I can remember. So I started with this 15 questions only, and it took me around 20-22 minutes to solve these 15 questions. Those were actually basics from operating systems and computer networks. And then moved to the second section, which had these 2 coding questions. They were from moderate to hard difficulty. So the first question, which I was able to pass only 6 test cases, and it took me about 30 minutes to solve all this. I mean, it took me a really lot of time to even get to 6 test cases because So then उसके बाद the next question, it was quite difficult, mostly associated with graphs or trees maybe, and I couldn't actually run any test case in the second one. Probably the MCQ part, like the aptitude section, it was really good for me, and the 6 test cases which I passed. So maybe yeah, I was not even expecting like कि हाँ मिल जाएगा ही कि interview में select होगा ही because and yeah, but yeah, it happened. I mean, then
Okay, so one more thing, मतलब एक्सपेक्टेशन इतनी हाई नहीं रखनी है कि उसके बाद ऐसे हार्ट ब्रेक हो जाए और तुम फ्यूचर कंपनीज में बैठ ना पाओ.
हाँ pardon.
मतलब एक्सपेक्टेशंस तुमने रखी बट नॉट सो
Yeah,
हाई
yeah.
कि तुम्हारा हार्ट ब्रेक हो जाए कि मेरा सिस्को में नहीं हुआ और फिर देन यू कैन नॉट इवन मतलब स्टडी फर्दर. सो जस्ट
हाँ.
राइट अमाउंट ऑफ ओके.
Yeah. So yeah, because I actually kept Cisco as my first option because being an electronic candidate, like ये Cisco Cisco and Citrix were the only two companies in which I can give my shot at actually. Because for the other companies it will be mostly SD profiles, and for Cisco and Citrix there was this networking domain that was being open. तो yeah, then उसके बाद technical interview पहला round जो था वो around an hour चला मेरे लिए. तो like it started with all these extracurricular activities, hobbies and all, and then the interviewer, so he was very nice. I mean, he went into my ME projects, like what all motivated me into these what all like encouraged me actually, yeah, to go through these, to choose these topics and all. Then उसके बाद basic networking concepts से पूछा, like, and then going into my domain only, like how 5G and all is nowadays like one of the hot topics in the market. तो ये बारे में कुछ, then basics from my signal processing concepts and all. Then then एक दो advanced question भी पूछ लिया था मेरे से regarding networking and all, which I felt actually like from the real life scenarios. ये थोड़ा delay के बारे में. And then the question which was being asked to again as well, like what all coding languages I am acquainted with, and so this was one of the common questions in almost all the rounds. So then उसके बाद थोड़ा basics like from procedural and object oriented programming से पूछा, and then I was being asked to code some code regarding a particular. He gave me a question on linked list actually, probably to detect a loop or something in a linked list kind of thing. तो उसके बारे में बोला, like I use this fast and slow pointer, and then actually give the answer. So then in this way the technical interview, the first round was over. Then the second round I was being called, and this was the fun, like it was a real fun. I mean, the interviewer was also great. The managerial interview, as we can say. So ये actually 40 minutes तक चला. तो again the same questions like introduce yourself, what are the coding languages I know, and basic HR questions you can say, like how many times you have failed in your life and still proud about some comeback and all. ये सब बारे में पूछा. And then he moved to my ME projects again, and he asked me about my signal processing project, where I used this LSTM and convolutional neural network, and like why did I use LSTM, why didn't I use some other methods. So basic questions from that project only. And since it was mostly on cocktail party problem, he asked me like what is cocktail party problem, like why is so interested in this domain, whether I am or not, like my strengths, weaknesses, and then like why Cisco has been one of the most important questions that was being asked. तो ऐसे खत्म हो गया था managerial interview. Then moving on to executive round, so ये भी around 40-45 minutes तक चला, and here like many questions were being asked to me, like, and those were a blend of HR and as well as technical, you can say. So यहाँ पे I was being asked about a lot from Java and also from C, as well as like whether I know Python or not, because Python was written in my CV. तो वहाँ से like how many days it took me to learn Python, like how much I'm gonna rate myself in Python, and since I was mostly in this ML algorithm techniques in Python which I implemented for my projects and all, he asked me some from them like what is recurrent neural networks and this LSTM, why we. ये सब बारे में बहुत कुछ पूछा मुझसे, and then I was being asked like how he actually wanted to know like why from being an electronics and why I'm looking for a software engineer profile, like how did I manage to study these operating systems and computer networks and all these
Just to be clear, तुम्हारा बीटेक किस बैकग्राउंड?
electronic था.
Electronics and
So-
communication.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Yeah.
ECE से तुम दोनों हो, but you're in
हाँ,
communications
I mean,
engineering और अभिज्ञान obviously software systems में मेरे साथ. Alright.
yeah.
Actually, you know what? मुझे I guess पूछा था, or maybe not, but I did mention कि like why I like switched my entire domain from EC to software computer science. Like why like like it's a really big thing now. Like what like I had to like go through entire BTech CSE syllabus get here. So like वो बोला था तब.
Okay. So तुम लोगों ने कैसे इनको मतलब circumnavigate किया? Managerial questions हो गए या फिर HR? मेरे degrees. So suppose HR questions हो गए, managerial questions हो गए, इनको कैसे circumnavigate किया तुम लोगों ने? मतलब वो लोग tricky questions पूछते हैं, right?
Yeah.
वो लोग ऐसे पूछेंगे कि क्या तुम्हारा स्टार्टअप खोलने का प्लान है इन द नेक्स्ट 5 years? उनका स्टार्टअप का मतलब नहीं है, वो जानना चाहते हैं कि तुम 5 years तक कंपनी में रहोगे या निकल जाओगे. सो ऐसे ट्रिकी क्वेश्चंस को तुमने सर्कमनेविगेट कैसे किया, या प्रिपरेशन किया कि नहीं किया, या फिर जस्ट ऑन द स्पॉट था?
Like boss, you go first maybe.
Yeah. कौन I mean, बोलो we get.
Come on. Yeah. So like first of all like एक point मैंने like दिमाग में रखा था कि whatever happens like just be honest and don't lie, because like एक झूठ अगर बोल देते हो और उसके ऊपर like कुछ cross question करते यार like you're done. Like it would get really messed up there. Like, बहुत difficult हो जाएगा तुम्हारे लिए. So first of all don't lie. So I kept that in mind कि हाँ just be honest. अगर कुछ पता नहीं तो बोलना कि पता नहीं. अगर like your questions like tricky होते हैं in the sense कि like they want to know who you like actually are, right? So I was being honest, but I was also being careful not to be like ऐसे portray नहीं करना है कि that like चाहे गलती से ही हो ऐसे portray नहीं करना है कि I'm not really someone they're looking for, like ऐसे दिखाना है कि like हाँ like this guy would really be a great employee for us, for our company, and like yeah he like checks all the boxes. Like so I was being careful कि like बोलने से पहले like I gave myself some time, like at least like 10 से 20 सेकंड ले लो, सोचो आंसर को और फिर like जवाब देना. Like सबकी like एकदम फास्ट होना है, like just be fluent, be like to the point, and like the best thing would be to have great communication skills more than great English. Just whatever is in your mind, just communicate it well. Like make it to the point and concise, and just be honest, don't lie. That's all. Like and if you're already like applying for a company, let's say I'm applying for Cisco, so like I was already interested in this company now, and like it's obvious that I like made sure that I'm capable of being their employee, right? So like I did my homework, I worked hard, I studied, like did some like क्या बोलो practice, all that. So I made sure कि I am someone they would like to employ. Like I'm someone they would like to have me as one of their employees, and like that was the first thing I made sure, and like after that just be yourself.
Just be yourself.
Yeah,
but make sure you like make yourself employable.
Like almost the same, like you have to be confident enough, like trying to explain the answers very confidently. Like जो भी पूछने वाला है, like all the questions they might be tricky. Like whenever some kind of questions come, like I used to get settle and take some deep breaths, or I mean like 10-15 सेकंड सोच के देन उसके बाद उतना भी टाइम शायद नहीं मिलता है, 5-6 सेकंड थोड़ा सोच के देन have to the way you said, like, yeah, properly circumnavigate करना है उसको थोड़ा towards my own strengths actually. Like to like yeah, we have to be very honest. I mean, अगर ऐसा कुछ है दिमाग में कि हाँ स्टार्टअप खोलना है या ऐसा कुछ, then like थोड़ा थोड़ा डिप्लोमेटिक वे में आंसर करना चाहिए, to be honest. Yeah, and the thing is कि like one thing is true, like the basics should be absolutely clear, crisp. That is one of the most important things which they're gonna look for. अगर में थोड़ा दिक्कत तो like any problem which I told like regarding one of the protocols which I was being asked and I couldn't answer it, like it was probably the only question, and I said that like since since I couldn't answer it, but I would love to explore more about such concepts in the upcoming days. And one of the most important thing is this communication skills. Like we have to communicate in a good. Every time they're being shooting questions one after another, and we have to be very, very well. I mean, very. I mean, we should answer them properly, so one after another. Like ऐसा नहीं कि एक क्वेश्चन का आंसर दिया तो गलत, like कुछ तरह से वो क्वेश्चन का आंसर ही हम सेकंड क्वेश्चन का आंसर से रिलेट हो गए. लाइक रिलेट होने से मतलब कि वही कंक्लूजन पे आ गए कि एक सेम चीज बता रहे हैं एक दो बार से. लाइक दैट्स द थिंग व्हिच many of us actually do. I mean, so and yeah, when they asked me about my hobbies, my areas of interest, I was already prepared with it. So yeah, so that was another thing. And some extra thing which I was not expecting, because previous interviews ne itna bhi they didn't dig much into like hobbies and all. But this time in Cisco, like one round was mostly on this thing, and the questions were like that, and he asked questions based on my areas of interest. Like अगर मैं बोला कि I love singing and all, then he will be asking questions based on singing aspects, which will have some basic. He will ask questions on networking that has got some relations with the musical instruments or something. Like as I said in my first, yeah. So they have got a lot of experience, so they know how to bring a particular student from any domain and ask them some cool questions. Yeah, so that yeah, so यही बात था. But at the end of the day, what I understood that these interviewers, they were very friendly. And whenever I was getting stuck, so they were ready to help. Okay. And they were always telling कि yeah, you can take some time, but yeah, like give the answer properly. Like you can take some time. Whenever I was trying to think and then answer.
So basically, first of all, तुमने कहा lie नहीं करना है ना, right? हाँ. झूठ नहीं बोलना. So ठीक है. इस इंटरव्यू में तुम्हें झूठ नहीं बोलना है. So what were your sources of preparation? दोनों लोग. मतलब written round clear करने के बाद ही तुम यहाँ पे जा पाओगे. Written round तक हमारे future students कैसे clear करेंगे?
Okay. Should I go first?
Okay, go.
All right. So bits like जब मैं campus गया था, like मैं first of all like isolation में था, and I made a really good friend there who was doing his dual degree. So उसको like उसके साथ बातचीत हुई, and उसने मुझे बस एक बात बोला था. Like he was from EC as well, you know. उसने and he got placed in Samsung that year. So मैंने उसको पूछा like how did you prepare? Like तुम तो इसी से like SD role में जा रहे हो. What was your source of preparation? उसने बस एक बात बोला कि interview bit. सिर्फ interview bit से जो भी like जितना भी practice करना है interview bit में ही करो, हो जाएगा. You know like ठीक है like तब मैंने सोचा था हाँ okay interview bit अच्छा होगा शायद. Maybe I'll check it out later. Try GFG and all that. Like हाँ कुछ questions किए, but then our semester was pretty hectic, right? So हार में गए वो practice. So after our exams, like compre exams of second semester, July, like 1st of July को actually 30th of June को खत्म हुआ था I guess. So exactly 1 month ऑलमोस्ट लाइक एग्जैक्टली 1 month मिला मैं प्रिपेयर करने को. सो आई मेड अप माई माइंड कि हाँ मैं इंटरव्यू बिट में रोज क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस करूंगा. एंड दे हैव दिस सिस्टम ऑफ लाइक स्कोर्स का एक सिस्टम है. सो
गेमिफाई कर देते हैं इस चीज को.
या एग्जैक्टली यार लाइक मतलब उन्होंने गेमिफाई कर दिया ना पूरे चीज को. एंड ऑल्सो लाइक मैं लाइक सबको देख सकता हूँ वहाँ, लाइक ऑल द बिट्स लाइक स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ माय बैच. सो उनके स्कोर्स जब मैं देखता था लाइक आई यूज्ड टू गेट मोटिवेटेड लाइक हाँ मेरा रैंक आज इतना है लाइक इन स्टूडेंट्स के बीच में. सो लाइक इट मोटिवेटेड मी टू वर्क हार्डर एवरी डे. So like I made up my mind कि ये daily 500 के ऊपर ही करूँगा, 500 like points के ऊपर. So that was around 3 to 4 questions per day. Like ज़्यादा नहीं है, that's very low in terms of question count, but still वो 3 से 4 questions like अच्छे difficulty के थे, like medium to hard. Like easy questions तो ऐसे ही बन जाते थे. तो हाँ like the first मैंने interview bit start किया था around 10th of July को I guess. Sorry, not 10th, 5th of July को I guess. So like 5th July से 5th of August तक like 30 days मैंने like consistently interview bit में ही coding की. And like 5th of July में मेरा score था 50. And by the end of my preparation, my score was 21,000. So like क्या बोलूँ, like the first thing and the last thing I used to do like every day was interview bit. Like सुबह उठ के ब्रेकफास्ट करके ही मैं इंटरव्यू बिट में कोडिंग क्वेश्चंस सॉल्व करता था. लाइक अगर लाइक इवन आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग ये 3 से 4 क्वेश्चंस 1000 या 1500 पॉइंट्स अर्न करने के बाद आई यूज्ड टू लाइक ये सॉल्व अदर पीपल्स डाउट्स देयर. लाइक वो लोग ओपनली लाइक क्वेश्चंस पूछ सकते हैं ना, लाइक help request कर सकते हैं. तो like I used to help them out there. So that really helped me. And also apart from that I like क्या बोलूँ like अपने peers के साथ including you as well ये mock interviews भी किए. And like and that's all actually. Also I was revising like my gate preparation के notes. So that really helped I guess.
सुबह उठ के ब्रेकफास्ट किया, देखा सौम्यदीप का नाम ऊपर आ रहा है, गुस्सा आ गया है कोडिंग.
एक्चुअली सौम्यदीप को मैंने नहीं देखा था, लेकिन हमारे बैच के कुछ स्टूडेंट्स को देखा था. like unintentionally like I wasn't actively competing with them. like उनसे like मैंने आज तक बात भी नहीं किया शायद, but they were from our class only. And like रोज देखता था like ये like okay I am above him right now, I'll have to work harder and I'll be able to get to this rank. फिर नेक्स्ट डे को देखता था कि अरे यार ये मुझसे ऊपर चला गया, मुझसे 10 रैंक ऊपर गया, ये तो like this is unacceptable man. like अब मुझे फिर से हार्ड वर्क करना होगा. like it was gamified so like it made me work hard. like and also like I have this grinding mentality due to all these multiplayer games that I've played. So
अच्छा सौम्यदीप अब तुम बताओ, what was your source of preparation, कहाँ से प्रिपेयर किया वगैरह.
हाँ like एक्चुअली क्या होता है कि फॉर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स कैंडिडेट्स ये कोडिंग कम्स एज आई मीन थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट रहता है बिकॉज जैसे आई यूज्ड टू बी I used to code regularly when I was in second and third year of my BTech days and after that उसके बाद ऐसा हो कि एकदम सिर्फ वो ये बेसिक डेटा स्ट्रक्चर्स एंड बस ये बेसिक सी प्रोग्रामिंग नहीं पता था मुझे. ये जब मैंने बीटेक का एग्जाम दिया like 2020 में ही मेरा बीटेक खत्म हुआ and I joined BITS Pilani in 2020. So
okay, ये 3 हम सब में कॉमन है ये चीज फिर.
yeah exactly. तो सभी ऑलमोस्ट फ्रेशर ही है शायद. okay anyway like तो मेरा ऐसा था कि since I was being detached from this coding aspects, तो पहले जो किया right after our semester exams which ended on 30th June. So then उसके बाद the first thing which I did, I went through the basic C programming and basic understandings of these data structures and all जो मैंने भूल चुका था already. फिर से I went all through them. और मेरे को Python आता था तो it was like an addition. So then उसके बाद I also went through the same things like various other things like ये थोड़ा garbage collection बोलो या थोड़ा advanced topics में भी पढ़ा था कुछ इधर उधर से like ये थोड़ा हाँ like बहुत सारा कुछ पढ़ा था actually yeah regarding C programming only. I mean C++ में कैसे like what are the differences like all coming in between an object oriented and the procedural, क्या होता है क्या नहीं होता है. तो yeah like हाँ like for example मैं जो बोल रहा था ये pragma pack बोलो like ये सब चीज के बारे में भी थोड़ा ideas दिया था. So like if suddenly they ask me some questions on the advanced topics, so ये बस हुआ. दिन उसके बाद some data even some data structures like try and all जो हमारे search करने में जो help करता है ये सब के बारे में भी थोड़ा पढ़ा. Like then like I was not into coding thing. I actually went to gigs. I used to go to gigs for gigs, and there is this section called must do coding problems. So I mostly focused on array, string, linked lists and all these things. So बहुत उस डोमेन में जहाँ से एक्चुअली इंटरव्यू में क्वेश्चंस आता है लाइक व्हाटएवर आई गॉन थ्रू फ्रॉम प्रियो क्रॉनिकल्स आई वेंट थ्रू देम. मुझे ऐसा लगा कि वैसे ये जो अगर मैं ये रिटन राउंड क्लियर कर जाऊँ लाइक somehow like my own like किसी भी तरह से कर जाऊँ तो then this will be the main types of questions which I am going to be asked. तो मैंने ज़्यादा फोकस किया on this topics only. And since ये मेरा कम्युनिकेशन इंजीनियरिंग बैकग्राउंड है तो अगर मेरे को हार्ड कोड एकदम डेटा स्ट्रक्चर में घुस के क्वेश्चन पूछेगा then it will be like it will not happen for me. So that's why networking was my only way to like. तो मुझे नेटवर्किंग आता भी था लाइक मैं उसके बारे में बहुत टाइम बिताया. लाइक आई गेव अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम ऑन ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम्स कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क्स. went through the basics of the real time operating systems as well. रविंद्र बाबू रबुला के कोर्सेज के बेसिक्स के ऊपर भी थोड़ा पूरा किया. मतलब ये गेट नोट्स बनाया था तो ये भी थोड़ा पढ़ा मैंने. some advanced topics and computer networks too. and उस ये सब खत्म होने के बाद like I actually targeted Cisco right after for like from 2 weeks before the exam, actually the actual exam. तो इसके अलावा मैंने ये 5G कंसेप्ट जो हमारे था यहाँ पे VLSI डिजाइन के कंसेप्ट्स और डिजिटल कंसेप्ट्स कम्युनिकेशन के बारे में सब कुछ लाइक एनालॉग डिजिटल कम्युनिकेशन एंड ऑल मोबाइल पर्सनल कम्युनिकेशन सिग्नल प्रोसेसिंग ये सब almost gate notes ही पढ़ा मैंने. and all what we were being taught throughout the first and the second semesters. so yeah like these were the sources of preparations mostly. so like this more yeah.
So basically तुम कम्युनिकेशन इंजीनियरिंग से हो, इसी बैकग्राउंड है तो तुमने सी में ज़्यादा रिवाइज किया. बट अभी क्या सॉफ्टवेयर सिस्टम्स में आ चुका है उसका जावा और पाइथन से एक्सपोजर हो चुका है तो उसने उस तरफ की तरफ ज़्यादा ध्यान दिया. बट तुम लोग की लैंग्वेज ऑफ चॉइस क्या है?
मैंने तो लाइक मुझे तो पाइथन ही पसंद है. लाइक
सुमित
जावा पसंद है.
लिखते रहोगे. ओके सो कोई एडवाइस जो तुम देना चाहते हो किसी फ्यूचर एप्लीकेंट को लाइक हु इज टारगेटिंग सिस्को जिसको सिस्को टारगेट करना है तो तुम लोगों ने किया या तुम लोग 2 हो आउट ऑफ 4 जो कि मास्टर से सिलेक्ट हुए राइट?
या फ्रॉम
पिलानी कैंपस की बात हो रही है ऑब्वियसली. सो यू आर लाइक वन ऑफ द बेस्ट 2 ऑफ द बेस्ट सॉरी. तो क्या एडवाइस होगी तुम्हारी?
well it's not like specifically for Cisco but एक जनरल एडवाइस है कि like मैंने जो पहले बोला था ना कि like be yourself. yeah you should be yourself but before that just make sure like get this thing right कि तुम employable हो. like you just do a background check of the company and also like वो जब job role announce करेंगे तो like know what you have to do and what your responsibilities will be. just make sure कि like you are a person like whom they would love to employ. like just like whatever is like required for the job role just make sure you know them and that's it and then be yourself बस. हाँ उसके अलावा I'll also mention कि get your communication skills really like क्या बोलो like 10 on 10 नहीं होने से भी like 8 out of 10 तो करके ही जाना. और like communication अगर तुम like communicate कर नहीं पाओगे like what's on your mind. Like, it's really worthless. Also like this tip would really help, I guess. Just look at yourself from the interviewer's perspective. Like just उनके perspective से खुद को देखना and just judge yourself. Like if you're doing it right, wrong. Like if you would love to employ yourself, just that's a really good exercise, I guess. So that's it for the interviews, and also for ये coding rounds अगर clear करने हैं तो just practice. Like that's the only way.
Okay, so many.
Yeah, the same. I mean, whatever I told initially, एकदम same ही वही होगा कि एकदम confident रहना है, झूठ नहीं बोलना है और एकदम honest answers देना है and yep.
Not too honest, right?
जो
Not too
हाँ, I mean, right. थोड़ा डिप्लोमेटिक वे भी वैसे भी बात करना चाहिए कभी कभी. यप. एंड यप, ये वैसे कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स तो बहुत मैंडेटरी है. और मुझे जो लगा कि आई वाज आल्सो आस्क्ड वेदर आई हैव गॉट दिस CCNA सर्टिफिकेशन और नॉट, which will actually boost our can boost one's selection, although it's not at all mandatory. मुझे नहीं था वो, मेरे पास वो नहीं था actually. I haven't done this, but I know like what CCNA and all, like so that's why he asked many basic questions from a lot in the first technical round on networking. So then he asked me like whether I have done CCNA certification or not. So maybe if anyone has done that, like then he might get another shot at this company. I mean for Cisco only, if I can say.
Yeah, मतलब Cisco का ही CCNA है, so वो तुम्हें एक edge देता है basically.
Yep.
Right. So one final question. तुम्हारा वैसे मतलब complete हो गया तुम्हें जो बोलना था?
हाँ, like yeah,
Okay.
that's the thing. Yeah.
One more final question. मतलब तुम लोग ने भी rejections face किए थे Cisco से पहले, दोनों ने, I guess.
Yeah. मैं तो किया था ही.
Like coding rounds के बारे में बोल रहे हो कि interviews?
First round ही clear नहीं हुआ था तुम दोनों में से.
अच्छा,
दोनों का
फर्स्ट
ही.
राउंड नहीं,
coding
ऐसा
round
नहीं
तो
हुआ था.
हाँ, like Cisco के अलावा
Cisco के पहले.
इसको के पहले नहीं, मतलब जो भी रिटर्न राउंड हुआ था वो तो मोस्टली इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स के ऊपर था मेरा. लाइक क्वालकॉम बोलो, टेक्सास इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स बोलो एंड वेस्टर्न डिजिटल, इन तीनों में मैंने बैठा था. एंड इन ऑल थ्री ऑफ देम लाइक आई गॉट सिलेक्टेड अप टू द इंटरव्यूज. देन उसके बाद फाइनली नहीं हुआ वो, ये था मतलब इंटरव्यूज में सब में बैठा था. And in Micron, I didn't sit for the exam though, because on that particular day I had the Qualcomm interview. So right after 1 hour after this.
Okay. So Qualcomm में नहीं हुआ, but even then तुम्हें क्या मोटिवेट कर रहा था कि तुम तब भी फॉरवर्ड जाओ? मतलब तुम डिसअपॉइंट नहीं हुए, तुम मोटिवेटेड थे?
Actually, yeah, I was actually got depressed because in Qualcomm I actually had a very nice interview sessions. Like both the interviews were really good. Like from my perspective, okay, शायद नहीं था उतना अच्छा from interviewers perspective, इसीलिए शायद नहीं हुआ. Then उसके बाद the very next day I had Texas Instruments. In that the first round was okay, kind of. The second round was also not that good as per me. So so I was not expecting selection, and they all selected the microelectronics candidates. Even in Western Digital, both the rounds were good actually, but you know what? Since I was from communication background and since they were looking mostly for microelectronics domain, तो इसीलिए almost सभी my hardware profile में ही चला गया. So they actually brought hardware profile, none brought software. तो इसीलिए जो Qualcomm was the only one who actually brought software profile, and I gave good interviews but couldn't get selected. Then उसके बाद Micron में नहीं बैठा, and then fast forward, ये Amazon and Uber में एग्जाम तो दिया था. then बाद में पता चला कि शॉर्टलिस्ट नहीं हुआ. Citrix में शॉर्टलिस्ट हुआ and Cisco में शॉर्टलिस्ट हुआ. then Cisco मिल गया और Citrix में नहीं हुआ.
Okay, but even then you kept yourself motivated somehow.
Yep.
Okay, so don't lose motivation. अबे ज्ञान, तुमने मोटिवेशन कैसे लूज नहीं किया? वर्कआउट करके या कैसे?
Well, like Cisco के अलावा, like if I have to be honest, like एक भी round clear नहीं किया मैंने. So like it was like क्या, like bits में practice school है, so it was like okay, if I don't like get placed, I'll now get something at practice school. Like कहीं ना कहीं कुछ तो हो ही जाएगा. Like if you really want the job, you can just like you'll get it eventually. Maybe package इतना ज़्यादा नहीं भी हो सकता है, but I was like क्या बोलूँ, like it's not the end of the world, right? Eventually कुछ हो जाएगा. So just keep that mindset throughout the entire placement process, and I know like I have that mindset only, like ये मेरे पूरे life में ही चलेगा ऐसा, ये mindset ही रहेगा कि like whatever happens, like if you have a roof over your head and food to eat, like that's all you need. Like why worry so much, man? Like you just got rejected from a क्या बोलो written round. Like what's the worst that can happen to you right now? क्या खाना नहीं मिलेगा ना, वो नहीं मिलता है तो ठीक है, उसके बारे में टेंशन लो और go hustle and failure to me. But like that's the thing, like I didn't really make it a big deal getting and not getting qualified a big deal. So yeah, like
okay, so तुमने थोड़ा अपने आप को detached रखा, like
exactly. I made sure I never got demotivated.
okay.
That's how my motivation like
That's very important, क्योंकि लगातार यहाँ पे एक के बाद एक जब rejections होते जाते हैं, then you sort of get demotivated, right?
Yeah, that is like because we're human, right? So इंसान है तो like दुख तो like महसूस करेंगे ना हम लोग. But that's the thing, like don't make it a big deal, like if you don't get qualified or get rejected from something. So yeah, that's the thing.
So anyways, तुम दोनों से बात करके मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगा. So best luck in the future. Semester 3 के लिए, semester 3 start हो गया हम लोग का, है ना?
Yeah.
So anyways, planning to go to the campus? Anyone?
I really want to, but let's see. Like मेरे braces के
Come on.
बाकी है.
Okay. Come on, अभी क्या चले यार. We have got some ये बैडमिंटन खेलना बाकी है अभी.
बैडमिंटन में बोस इफेक्ट like महसूस करना बाकी है.
Yeah, we actually played a lot of time. used to spend a lot of time playing badminton there.
हाँ यार, रात के 2 बजे तक कौन
2 बजे तक बैडमिंटन खेलते थे.
Seriously, like एक बार तो मैं like 3 बजे को उठ के बाहर like
exactly.
टॉयलेट गया था, मैं बाहर देखा कि ये लोग बैडमिंटन खेल रहे हैं.
चलो आप मैं भी ज्वाइन कर लेता हूँ ऐसा था.
हाँ यार, खेला भी है वैसे कोई.
ये सही है. चलो, best of luck to
What do you
both of
think?
you in the future, है ना? And thank
What
you.
about you? Like aren't you gonna join college? I mean, come to campus.
For me, it doesn't make sense, right? इतना sensible नहीं है. वहाँ जाना, उतना ही pay करना, and then उससे ज़्यादा ही pay करना पड़ता है. और मतलब most of the जो तुम्हारे household chores हैं, तुम्हें घर में जो usually हो जाते हैं, तुम्हें वहाँ पे खुद से करने पड़ेंगे. और अभी most of the facilities open नहीं हैं. Like जो हम लोग चाहते हैं, फुटबॉल हो गया, क्रिकेट हो गया, जिसमें या फिर क्लोज कॉन्टैक्ट स्पोर्ट्स हो गए, स्क्वॉश, स्विमिंग, राइट? ये सब मुझे लगता नहीं कि अभी ओपन होगा. इवन जिम्स 30 आवर विंडो के लिए ओपन होते हैं, जहाँ पे मुझे पता है. अभी
मैं तो जिम जाता था वैसे.
इवन मैं भी, बट लाइक वही, और बीच में लॉकडाउन आने के कारण
बहुत हैम्पर हुआ था.
मेरे पास
तो अनसर्टेन है, लाइक
अभी अनसर्टेन है. कोई बात नहीं, मेरे पास degree.pdf आ जाएगा. चलो थैंक यू both of you आने के लिए. Sure.
Thanks. It was a pleasure, bro.
It was really a pleasure.
Again, second time, Samidhi first time आया. Samidhi, best of luck future के लिए. चलो, bye.
Okay, चलो, bye again, bye everybody.
Bye, boss.
हाँ, तो बिट्स में ट्रिपल ई के बारे में बताना जरा. लाइक उसमें 3 ब्रांचेस तुमने बताई थी ना?
Yes.
ट्रिपल ई के अंदर 3.
Yes, microelectronics, embedded systems, and communication engineering.
Okay. और तुम कम्युनिकेशन इंजीनियरिंग में?
I'm from communication engineering. Yes.
Okay, so कैसा रहा ऑनलाइन सेमेस्टर? और मतलब फर्स्ट सेम तो टोटली ऑनलाइन था, सेकंड में जाने का मौका मिला, बट फिर वापस आना पड़ा. थर्ड में जाने का मौका मिल रहा है फिर से, So अभी तक experience कैसा है मतलब?
Experience has been fine. I mean, the way it started, it was actually a new way to begin. I mean, to be honest, वैसे देखा जाए तो ये online mode से तो हम लोग वैसे we are not used to it. So in the first few days were a bit hectic. I mean, although the routine, like the schedule of the courses of the subjects, they were fine. I mean, they were properly scheduled, but still, it was actually it was a bit tough for us to deal with initially. So so then, like there were some subjects in which we could focus more. We had to focus more. We had to give some more amount of time because वहाँ पे ये वैसे lab related courses था advanced so VLSI design में microwave RF and microwave engineering ये topic में था. And then we were if we consider microelectronics and embedded systems branches, so the placements have been very good for these two branches especially, but for communication engineering for the past 2-3 years the placements hasn't been up to the mark. But like जैसे देखा जाए तो about 22 students in communication engineering, and out of which only 5 to 7 candidates were placed on campus, but the remaining people couldn't get during the on-campus placements. This was mostly because in communication engineering the subjects are mostly dealt with this 5G technologies which are coming up, the quantum technologies like 5G, 6G, the Bluetooth 5.0, the Wi-Fi 6, and all this recent, like the upcoming technologies which we'll be dealing with in the future. And the industries generally, like they haven't built setups for the companies in India, if you can see, like तो इसीलिए ऐसा होता था कि placements थोड़ा hamper होता था. But इस साल वैसे the number of students, like for us, the number of students has been reduced from 22 to 13 students only, and till now the placements has been very good. Out of 13, 10 students have been placed till now. So बहुत बढ़िया, like and yeah, the average package has been like it's been very good if we consider all the three branches of microelectronics, embedded systems, and communication this time. Like till now 49 students have been placed out of 57 candidates. So it's a good record to see with an average placement package of around 25-26 LPA. तो ये बहुत बढ़िया है. देखा जाए तो वैसे if I consider the past 2-3 years, and placements perspective, but from the course curriculum if we see, then like embedded systems is more practical, or like it's since embedded systems is like associated with almost every appliance we use nowadays, from our laptops to washing machines and everything, from TVs to ACs, like so it's that कि बहुत
उधर अभिज्ञान हासिल है because we took SES, software for embedded systems, and we just blew it.
Yeah.
ये mention नहीं करना चाहिए था.
Okay. So
messed up.
But just मतलब in short तुम्हारा course curriculum का अगर बता पाओ, जैसे first semester में कौन-कौन से courses होते हैं, फिर second में क्या-क्या किया था, अगर तुम्हें याद हो. In short, just because this deserves its own video, right? Communications engineering.
We had 4 subjects in first semester. Those were this RF and microwave engineering, the signal processing, advanced digital signal processing, this ESP course. There was this coding theory and practice, and the VLSI design. So this VLSI design was an elective which we took because ये थोड़ा हम लोग को ऐसे it gives an opening to the microelectronics domain as well, so that we can seek for microelectronics companies which generally come like NXP, like Intel and all. Yes. And in the second semester we had this research practice, and besides we had the advanced digital communication. We had the क्या बोलते हैं the mobile personal communication. This was the subject, and another subject which I can't remember right now because maybe अभी याद नहीं आ रहा है. Yeah, but yes, so these were mostly the subjects like we did so far. Yeah, and in this semester we have um, this advanced neuro. We have got this optical communication as a compulsory subject, and we have to take 3 elective courses in which we took the satellite communication. Like most of us took satellite communication, the advanced neural networks. And I am just I'm just in the process of changing from one of the courses to network programming. So yeah, तो इसीलिए
ulta basically.
okay.